Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the I feel function on your TCL air conditioner. So first of all, you need to understand that normally your air conditioner measures the temperature at the indoor unit. But when the I feel function is turned on, the AC uses the temperature sensor inside the remote control instead. So this is going to basically help the system cool or heat the area where you are and not just the wall where the AC is installed. So now that you have understand what this feature actually does, in order to use it, you just have to first of all turn your AC on and make sure that the preferable operating mode such as cool or heat is also set by you. So once that is done, you just have to simply locate this I feel button on top of your TCL remote and you just have to simply press it once. Now when you press it, you are going to see its icon available on the remote's display, which is going to confirm that the feature is now active. Now you need to place this remote close to where you are sitting or sleeping and avoid covering it or leaving it in the direct sunlight. So this allows the AC to basically receive the accurate temperature reading from your location. In order to disable it, you just have to press the I feel button again, and when the icon disappears from the display, it simply means that now the AC is using the sensors inside the indoor unit. So that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.